Hi, this is M2 of Bnuuy Ship by Brian, Chinmay, Clare, Dayshaun, and Lily, the Bnuuy Savers. So for the required elements, um, first of all, we have an FPS counter, and also when I hit play, you go into the tutorial first. So first it tells you to move the WASD, and then you press spacebar, you go on the module and control it, and then it tells you to use the cannon module. I can use by aiming and then left click to kill these enemies. And once I have done that, it also says I need to save the bunnies by shooting this thing. So I take the cannon and I shoot the bunny. Now it's on my ship, so it tells me to move the ship inside the base for 1 second to drop off the existing bunnies. So I'm going to do that right now. And I cleared the first tutorial and I go into the next level. So one of the other things we changed in this milestone was we added more assets and audio. The sound includes the background audio and when I shoot enemies, and also when I collide, there's sound. So one thing we add was more advanced friendly AI as well. So once I capture bunny, what I can do is I can click this bunny module and click the cannon, and that will make the bunny run a decision tree which auto shoots nearby enemies. So our friendly bunnies essentially are running a decision tree when they get assigned to a module. And right now, for example, the decision tree is just telling them to shoot at the nearest enemy with the weapon that they have. So as for some of our creative elements, we also implemented A-star search for the enemies. So for example, as you can see, the enemies will follow this path that was calculating A-star search, and once they get to it, they'll calculate a new path to me, and they'll continuously do that. Well, previously the enemies would just constantly go to a straight line. And if I go around the island here, you can see that the enemies will actually attempt to path around the island as well. Like so. So as part of our improved gameplay changes as well, we also added some other changes, such as more collision. For example, the bunny will only get dropped off inside the base if the entire ship is within the bounds of the base for at least 1 second, like so. We have the polygon collision that we have done in the last milestone as well. We added a point scoring system for the amount of bunnies that you save, which determines if you beat the level or not. The different enemy types have different behavior, such as these balloons that will fly over the island instead of pathing around them. And we also have a game over screen. As for each of our contributions, Brian worked on the tutorial level and the module systems for the auto-tuning cannons. Chinmay worked on the audio assets, and also some of the enemy types as well. Claire worked on the pathfinding for the enemies and the game assets for the sprites, and also some of the new enemy type behavior. I worked on the point system as well as the map for the tutorial and the functionality to save the bunnies to the base. And Lily worked on the new scenes such as the level clearing screen and the FPS counter and the death screen. That's all for our M2 video. Thanks for watching.